Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. I picked one of these up. It was on sale for $249, so I decided to pick one up so I can have a watch that I can actually use with my OnePlus 8 Pro, because obviously you can't use the Apple Watch with an Android. So I wanted a watch that I could use and still get all of my notifications and that kind of stuff on. And have all that kind of stuff with my OnePlus 8 Pro while I'm using it. Let's see. So this is just the 44mm model. It is not the cellular or LTE model or anything like that. Just the regular. Let's see. So you've got your Samsung documentation on the top here. I don't think there's really anything important in here other than the quick start guide, which we don't really need, so we'll put that off to the side. Nothing else in there. So right here we have the watch, and then in here we have our just standard USB-A to the little magnetic charger. So that's what you get in there. And then we have the watch right here with the band already pre-installed. It doesn't appear that this one they don't include the other smaller bands anymore, so you just get the size that is on here, which is, probably fine for most people. I'm assuming if you get the 40mm, you're going to get a small band, but I don't have the 40mm, so I can't be for certain. If you do have a smaller watch, let me know what size band you get, but on the large one, this is what you get right here. So that is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 unboxing. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.